Good morning, students. Welcome back to e-learning class of maths. Today we will discuss left part of chapter 13, polygons and quadrilaterals. Now let us continue with checkpoint 2. Question number 2. If three exterior angles of a quadrilateral are 55 degree, 115 degree and 105 degree, find the measure of fourth exterior angle. We know in quadrilaterals there are four angles, so it will have four exterior angles. इसके पास चार exterior angles होंगे, in which जिसमें हमें three exterior angles दिए हैं and we have to find the value of fourth missing exterior angle. Students, as I explained in the question, three exterior angles are given of quadrilateral and we have to find the fourth missing exterior angle. We know in quadrilateral there are four angles, so it will have four exterior angles in which the measure of three are given and one has to be calculated. We know sum of all the exterior angles of polygon is always 360 degree. किसी भी तरीके का polygon हो, whether it will have 4 sides, 5 sides, 6 sides, कितनी भी sides का polygon हो, sum of all exterior angles will always be 360 degree. So we can write 55 degree plus 115 degree plus 105 degree plus x equal to 360 degree. On solving this linear equation, we will get x equal to 85 degree. This will be the measure of fourth missing exterior angle. Now, question number 5. The angles of quadrilateral are x plus 8, x minus 2, 3 bracket 2x plus 1 and 4x plus 5. These angles are in the form of variable x and we have to find the measure of these angles. Means we have to find the numerical value of these angles. Children, in this question number 5, four angles of quadrilateral are given in form of variable. X is variable and first angle is x plus 8, second angle is x minus 2, third angle is 3, 2x plus 1 in bracket, fourth angle is 4x plus 5. And we have to find their values, means in the form of numerical values. We know sum of all angles of quadrilateral is 360 degree. These are interior angles. And sum of all interior angles of quadrilateral is 360 degree. So we can write x plus 8 plus x minus 2 plus 3 2x plus 1 plus 4x plus 5 equal to 360 degree. X plus 8 as it is plus x minus 2 as it is, open this bracket, 3 2s are 6x plus 3 1s are 3, 4x plus 5 as it is equal to 360 degree as it is. On solving all the terms of x, we will get 12x. On solving all the constants, we will get 14 equal to 360 degree. On solving this linear equation, we get x equal to 28.8 degree. Now put the value of x in given angles. First is x plus 8. This will give 36.8 degree. Second is x minus 2. This will give 26.8 degree. Third is 3 bracket 2x plus 1. This will give 175.8 degree. Next is 4x plus 5. This is 120.2 degree. When you add all these four angles, you will get 360 degree. So these are the four angles of given quadrilateral. Checkpoint 3, question number 1. The measure of an angle of parallelogram is 112 degree. Means parallelogram में एक एंगल 112 डिग्री है, बाकी के तीन हमें फाइंड करने हैं. Students, before solving the questions related to parallelogram, you must learn all the properties of parallelogram because we will use those properties to solve the questions. In the first question, ABCD is a parallelogram and its one angle is 112 degree. So suppose that one angle is angle A. हमने क्या सपोज करा कि एंगल ए 112 डिग्री है. नाउ वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द वैल्यू ऑफ all the missing angles, that means angle B, angle C and angle D. Students, we know in parallelogram sum of adjacent angles is 180 degree. So you can take any adjacent angles. You can take angle A plus angle B equal to 180 degree, or you can take angle A plus angle D equal to 180 degree. That is your choice. I have taken angle A plus angle B equal to 180 degree. Here angle A is 112 degree, so B will be 68 degree. Now we have to calculate angle C and angle D. Students, we know in parallelogram opposite angles are equal. Opposite means आमने सामने के angles का measure equal होता है. So angle C will always be 112 degree if angle A is 112 degree. Similarly, अगर angle B 68 degree है, then इसके सामने angle D will always be 68 degree. So these are the four angles of quadrilateral, which is a पैरेललोग्राम मीन्स एक ऐसा क्वाड्रिलेटरल जो पैरेललोग्राम है, उसके सारे एंगल्स हमने यहाँ शो कर दिए। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, इन द पैरेललोग्राम ABCD find the measure of angle A, angle C and angle D. Students, this is a wrong figure because this is not a parallelogram. So you will draw a proper diagram of parallelogram in which one angle is 105 degree. And you will use the same method as I explained in question 1. Now question number 5. In question number 5, these are two opposite angles of parallelogram. Means ये दोनों आमने सामने के angles दिए हैं and find the measure of each angle means all four angles का measure निकालना है numerical form में. Now in this question number 5, ABCD is a parallelogram in which opposite angles are given. One pair of opposite angles are given. So suppose those opposite angles are angle B and angle D. And we know in parallelogram opposite angles are equal. Parallelogram में आमने सामने के angles equal होते हैं. So angle B equal to angle D. Put the value of angle B, that is 60 minus 2x degree. And the value of angle D is 3x minus 15 degree. On solving it, we will get x equal to 75 upon 5, that is 15. Now put the value of x in any one of the angle. किसी एक में x की value रख लीजिए. I have put in angle B. Angle B equal to 60 minus 2x degree. This will give angle B equal to 30 degree. Then angle D will always be 30 degree because opposite angles are equal. Now we have to find angle A and angle C. We know in parallelogram sum of adjacent angles is 180 degree. अगल बगल वाले adjacent angles का जो sum होता है वो 180 डिग्री होता है. सो एंगल A प्लस एंगल B इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. एंगल B के प्लेस पर हम 30 डिग्री रख सकते हैं. देन एंगल A विल बी 150 डिग्री. एंगल A इज 150 डिग्री, देन एंगल C विल बी 150 डिग्री. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, फाइंड द पेरीमीटर ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम इफ वन ऑफ इट्स साइड इज 3.2 सेंटीमीटर लॉन्ग. मीन्स एक साइड की लेंथ 3.2 सेंटीमीटर है एंड इट्स एडजेसेंट साइड इज 3/2 टाइम्स ऑफ इट. मीन्स एक साइड 3.2 सेंटीमीटर लॉन्ग है एंड एडजेसेंट साइड उसके बगल वाली साइड फर्स्ट साइड के 3/2 टाइम्स है. तो हमें इसका पेरीमीटर कैलकुलेट करना है. नाउ इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 अगेन फिगर इज पैरेललोग्राम. इट्स वन साइड इज 3.2 सेंटीमीटर इन लेंथ. एक साइड सपोज दैट इज AD. AD इज 3.2 सेंटीमीटर एंड इट्स एडजेसेंट साइड. एडजेसेंट साइड मतलब उसके बगल वाली साइड 3/2 टाइम्स ऑफ 3.2. एक साइड 3.2 है और एडजेसेंट साइड अपनी बगल वाली साइड के 3/2 टाइम्स है. टाइम्स मीन्स मल्टीप्लाई. सो 3/2 मल्टीप्लाई 3.2 will give 4.8 centimeter. This is 4.8 centimeter and we have to find the perimeter of this parallelogram. Perimeter means sum of all sides. Means this plus this plus this plus this equal to perimeter. Now see, this is a parallelogram and in parallelogram opposite sides are equal. That means this will always be 3.2 centimeter अगर इसके सामने 3.2 centimeter side है. Similarly, if AB is 4.8 centimeter, then DC will be 4.8 centimeter. So, perimeter of parallelogram is sum of all sides. सबको हम लोग plus कर देंगे. This will give 16 centimeter. So, the perimeter of given parallelogram is 16 centimeter. In question number 10, this figure is given and we have to find the value of missing terms. That means value of x, y and z. Now, in question number 10, students, this figure is given. This is a parallelogram. And I will repeat my sentence. आपको parallelogram की सारी properties अगर learn होगी, then you will be able to solve these questions. Let us start. ABCD is a parallelogram. And we know in parallelogram opposite angles are equal. आमने सामने के angles equal होते हैं. So we can write angle B equal to angle D. Okay? Angle B is 112 degree and angle D is Y. So the value of Y will be 112 degree. Write the reason. Reason is opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. So we have calculated the value of Y. Now we have to calculate the value of X and Z. X and Z की value calculate करनी है हमें. See, sum of adjacent angles in parallelogram is 180 degree. We can write angle A plus angle B equal to 180 degree. See, angle A has two parts. Angle A के दो parts बने हैं 40 degree and Z. So angle A के place पर we will write 40 degree plus Z plus angle B is
112 degree equal to 180 degree. Now Z will remain as it is. Now 40 degree plus 112 degree will give 152 degree equal to 180 degree. So Z will be 180 degree minus 152 degree, that is 28 degree. So value of Z will be 28 degree. Now we have to calculate the value of X. See, Z and X are alternate interior angles because opposite sides are parallel in parallelogram ना. तो अगर ये parallel है तो Z and X are alternate interior angles. देखिए alternate interior angles में Z shape form होती है ना, so X and Z will be equal. So we can write X equal to Z. Reason is alternate interior angles. So X equal to 28 degree. Students, again in question number 11, this diagram is given which is a parallelogram and we have to find the value of X and Y. Now in question 11, again this figure is given which is a parallelogram. So we will use the properties of parallelogram to solve this question. Students, in parallelogram opposite angles are equal, so we can write angle B equal to angle D. That means X plus Y equal to 112 degree. And we know in parallelogram opposite sides are parallel. आमने सामने की sides क्या होती हैं? Parallel होती हैं. So alternate interior angles will be equal. देखिए ये Z form हो रहा है ना, like this. This is 42 degree and this is X minus Y degree. So alternate interior angles will be equal. So we got two equations. First is X plus Y equal to 112 degree and second is X minus Y equal to 42 degree. Minus Y को हम लोग right side shift कर देंगे. This will give the value of X equal to 42 plus Y. Now on putting the value of X in equation 1. This is a short form of equation. Equation 1 में हम x की वैल्यू पुट कर देते हैं. 112 डिग्री एज इट इज. x के प्लेस पर वी कैन राइट 42 डिग्री प्लस y एंड प्लस y एज इट इज. 42 डिग्री लेफ्ट साइड होकर माइनस हो जाएगा एंड y प्लस y विल गिव 2y. 2 minus 2 0, 11 minus 4 7. 70 degree equal to 2y. So 70 degree upon 2 equal to y. That means y is 35 degree. Y is 35 and now we have to calculate x. X है 42 plus y. 42 degree plus y. So 42 degree plus 35 degree will give 2 plus 5 7, 4 plus 3 7, that is 77 degree. So value of x is 77 degree and value of y is 35 degree.